Hey guys, today we bought this, Harbor Freight, Bauer wet dry vacuum, and I think we're gonna do some, car wash and car cleaning stuff. You can see that the 16 gallon, we're looking for the biggest horsepower, 6.5, and supposedly it has all the goodies inside of it. You can see the vacuum, the cup extension cord, yada yada yada, and this is the model number. So what I'm gonna do next is we're gonna use some dry run it to see how good it is. Okay, stay tuned. Hey, how's it going? We're gonna review the Bauer 16 gallon wet dry vacuum. So I bought this 16 gallon one just because I just want to buy the biggest one from Harbor Freight. So today we're gonna just want to see what's gonna happen if I just wanna vacuum cover thing. So easy. How about an empty box? Cool. How about it? Somebody needs traction. A little bit harder. A little bit hard. Oh yeah, not bad. Okay. How about more tension? That's good. Okay, that's nice. How about a bigger tension?